Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you exactly how to remove the watermark from VEO3 AI videos for free safely without losing the video quality or using any kind of sketchy software. So first, a quick note is that the official watermark appears only on the free exports. So to remove it legally, you can just simply get VEO3 without any watermark, and the best part is that you can get it absolutely for free for the next 12 months. So in order to get it, simply come here on Google VEO3 for students free. So when you search for this term here in your web browser, you will find the first link from Gemini for students. So here when you click on this link, you will be landed on this page where you are going to get Google AI Pro absolutely for free. And if you are a student, you can just simply provide your student ID and you are going to get it for free for the next 12 months. So here you just have to click on the option of get Google AI Pro, and after that you will have to provide your payment details and redeem this particular option. So then when you have the Google AI Pro absolutely for free, when you are going to generate the videos, you won't be able to see any kind of watermark then. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.